Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying compatibilities and placing devices correctly. Plug one adapter directly into a wall outlet near the router, because surge protectors can block the signal. Then attach a Cat5e or higher Ethernet cable from the router LAN port to the adapter. This establishes the network entry. Once done, power the second adapter in the room where you need internet. Make sure both adapters show a stable power and Ethernet LED before moving on. Those lights confirm the physical link and electricity flow. Next, you create the encrypted link between adapters by pressing the pair button on the primary adapter, then the secondary within 2 minutes. This establishes a secure channel over the electrical wiring. Once paired, optionally open the adapter's desktop or mobile app to adjust CoS or rename settings. This helps prioritize video or gaming traffic. Make sure the client device shows an Ethernet LED and receives an IP address from the router. If it does, traffic will flow over the power line instead of Wi-Fi. Finish by positioning the adapters for optimal performance. Keep them on the same electrical phase and avoid outlets on separate meters. Once connected, run a speed test to confirm throughput. Distance and heavy appliances can reduce rates, so try relocating the adapter if results are poor. If the link fails, reset both adapters and repair them, then try a different wall outlet. Finally, inspect breakers and remove surge protectors. These steps solve most connectivity problems quickly, and they explain why the network might not be passing data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.